SheetSage is an application to transcribe your favorite song from an audio file or video clip from YouTube to a lead sheet and MIDI file with only one command on Linux Ubuntu. SheetSage is a free lifetime application running on Linux Ubuntu and Docker. Too easy to install. Let's begin by installing Docker. Open the terminal in super user mode. The first thing to do is to update the system. Then, we begin the installation of Docker engine. First, we need to set up the Docker repository. I will include all the commands in the description of this video. I kindly request you to like the video and subscribe to support me. After setting up the Docker repository, we update our system to save the modifications. We now proceed to the installation of Docker engine, which will allow us to run the Transcribe a Song free application. Docker is installed and ready to containerize the application. The second step is to download the application from GitHub. We extract the application, then move it to the home directory and rename it. We access the application folder and run the setup command. Once you have launched the command, you wait for the installation to finish. Once the setup completes, transcribing a song is as simple. There are two methods. We will start with this one to understand how to transcribe a local song file. Copy the URL of the video you want to use, then paste it into noTube to convert and download it as an MP3 file. Now, with a simple command, we will transcribe the song. You need to first enter the application command. Then, enter the name and extension of the audio file based on your file. We will now check the files generated by our application. As you can see, there are 3 generated files, a PDF with the lead sheet along with the corresponding LilyPond file, and a MIDI file containing the audio-aligned melody and harmony. After understanding the mechanism of the application well, here is the second method. You input the application command in the URL of the YouTube video song, and it will do the same job. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to show your support.